Okay, so now I'm working on the middle sections. The middle is where I get a lot of breakage, or I guess my most breakage. And you can see like it's kind of thin here up to, well, and across here. So you don't have to cut all your hair to the size of like the shortest length if you don't want to. Um, you just have to maybe be a little bit careful about working with it, but this can use a good trim right in here. So like I said, if you're nervous about it, start with less, because you can never add your hair back naturally, like once you cut it. So start with less if you're, concerned about what you're cutting, and then you can go back and do it again if you need to remove more later. Just bring it out to the side first. You might have to come back and get the shorter section, but deal with the longer part first. So all that is pretty thin. So bring it out, angle, get that angle in there so you can keep your layers. If you want to keep layers, line it up. Make sure you're not cutting yourself. And just clean up those thin edges there. So work that down, and now you can work a little bit more, like if you have breakage right there, go back in and work a little bit more with the shorter part. All right.